smoke.
There's a crack right here. There's like a hole you can look through.
That's what she said.
Tell me if you see someone delirious.
Alright. Something blew up.
Man, this is getting pretty intense. Better go to the saloon for a drink.
See somebody. I see somebody.
Wait, what does that sign say? There's a claymore. Pretty close to my UAV. There goes nothing. Oh no! What's that noise? Ow! Run! Help!
Yeah, we got it! We got it! He got the first one. He got it.